Appropriate pricing reflects the value you provide, not just time spent. Clients pay for results, expertise, reliability, and peace of mind. Factors influencing pricing usually include skill level and expertise, years of VA experience, service complexity, and specialization, client results and outcomes delivered, market rates in your niche and geography, business expenses, desired profit, and your unique positioning. In the freelancing space, you have to be confident enough to demand your worth. You could charge hourly rates. You can also charge a set amounts per hour worked. Hourly pricing provides flexibility, it's easy to understand, and it works when scope is unclear. It's a good option because it suits diverse tasks. However, it penalizes efficiency and can lead to micromanagement, income instability, and it can be difficult to track. Another way to structure your pricing is by creating package pricing bundle services or offering deliverables for fixed prices. For example, you could have a package that offers social media management for $1,200 monthly. In that package, the client will get 12 posts across 3 platforms, 2 graphics, daily monitoring, and weekly analytics. Creating packages provide predictable income, rewards efficiency, and are easier for clients to understand and budget, and offering services this way often yield higher effective hourly rates. The problem, however, is that they require clear scope definition and carry risk if the scope is estimated incorrectly. Retainer agreements secure ongoing availability for set monthly fees, typically with included hours or services and additional work billed separately. Retainers provide stable, predictable income, demonstrate client commitment, facilitate financial planning, and foster deeper relationships. They work best after establishing trust with clients having ongoing needs. Project-based pricing charges flat fees for complete projects like website setup, launch support, or content creation. This works well for defined deliverables, can be very profitable for efficient VAs, and appeals to clients wanting fixed costs. However, be sure of the scope of the project to prevent underpricing complex projects. Value-based pricing sets fees based on value delivered rather than time invested. If your work generates $50,000 revenue, charging $5,000 is reasonable even if requiring only 20 hours. Value-based pricing rewards expertise and results, can dramatically increase income, and aligns your success with client success. However, it requires strong relationships, clear result tracking, and confidence in your value. Calculate minimum rates by determining required annual income including expenses, taxes, and personal needs. Divide by available billable hours and make sure that you are taking the business cost into consideration. Research competitive rates through job postings, other VA pricing, and target client budgets while factoring your experience and credentials. Don't work for peanuts if you want to deliver excellence. If you do, you might hate the job and end up scaring off your clients. Not everyone is your client, and that is okay. Handle price objections by understanding concerns that may arise as a result of budget and value perception. Respond by highlighting results received, comparing to full-time employee costs, breaking down what's included, sharing testimonials, and offering smaller starting packages if appropriate. If prospects truly cannot afford services, that's a poor fit, not a pricing problem. However, if price is the only concern with otherwise ideal prospects, consider creative solutions. Raise rates regularly as you gain experience, expertise, and demand. How will you know that you are becoming an authority in your niche? You will notice that you will start attracting clients easily, consistently, and start delivering exceptional results. gaining credentials, expanding specialized expertise, and your current rates might start to feel misaligned with the values you offer. As much as possible, always be professional. Notify existing clients 30 to 60 days in advance if you are increasing your rates or will no longer be working for them. Communicate value clearly, potentially grandfather existing clients temporarily, and implement new rates for new clients immediately. You are running a business, so income and expenditure must be taken into consideration before profits can be assessed. Diversify income by serving multiple clients. You can also work on building recurring revenue through retainers and packages and offering different service tiers. A bonus tip would be to maintain emergency funds covering 3 to 6 months of expenses and also expanding your business by hiring and training other VAs to work with you when your business starts to grow.